if you want to enable local network access on your iPhone, so in this video, I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Privacy and Security. Now, under the Privacy and Security settings, you will find the section of Local Network. Just tap on it, and from here you will find all the apps on your iPhone which have requested the local network access. Now you can enable the local network access of this specific app from here. And after you do that, you will give the selected app the permission to the local network. If you cannot find your specific app from here, just go back, and under the main settings page, just tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. Now from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Location and Privacy. Tap on Reset. Now by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the location and the privacy settings to the default factory settings on your iPhone. Now after you do that, then go to your home screen and open that specific app. And after you do that, the app will ask you again for the access to the local network. And from here, you can select Allow if you want to give it the access to the local network. But if this did not fix your issue, then just tap and hold on the app icon and select Remove App. Select Delete App and tap on Delete. And by doing that, you will delete the app from your iPhone. After you do that, then go back to the App Store and search the name of the app which we have deleted. Then download it again from the App Store. Once the app is downloaded, just tap on Open, and while setting up the app, it will ask you the access for the local network. Just select Allow if you want to give it the access to the local network. Just like that. And this is how you can enable the local network access on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.